Okay, so next step on the manual, we are going to install the motherboard, and the motherboard we have is P6T Deluxe V2 from ASUS. This one. And we are going to install it in the case, following the manual that was with the case. So note, if the I/O shield supplied with the case doesn't fit your motherboard, please remove the I/O shield and replace it with the one provided with your motherboard. What is I/O shield? I don't know. This is not very friendly.
I/O shield.
Okay, so the first step in installation, align the stand-off holes of the motherboard with the motherboard tray and screw in the stand-offs. Okay, so we need stand-off. Align the stand-off holes. Okay, so this was in the white box, and there are some screws, and there are something similar to the picture, so I'm going to open it. Let's see. Okay, these look similar to these. We are going to need 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Are you sure? Just 4?
1, 2, 3, 4.
No. 5, 6.
Okay. So in
Maybe we can check it here. So 1, 2.
Do you think it's those?
Yes.
And what is this here? Why?
Also 6. 1. Maybe. Oh, there are too much holes. And here.
Too many.
Too many. Here. Here. So we should.
What about the paper?
Oh. Maybe we could check it out with the manual
Of the board?
Yeah.
I think DHOL. No.
Yes.
I think the board is ATX. Stand-off hole for motherboard. That's what they are talking about there. So that's A, B, C, E. I think this is clear. So there are more than 6. There are actually 8 stand-off holes that we need to fill.
9.
9? Yeah. 9. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. 9.
Okay, so we are going to put the stand-off thingies in those holes. We do not have the proper tools, so we have to tighten the screws with this heavy-duty stuff.
Maybe you could
put the paper out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everything is ready for the motherboard. Bring it in. Again, our bed. And now the side with plugs will guide us and will tell us the direction, which I guess is this way. Yeah, this way. You have to align the holes with the screws we just put in. I don't know if this works, but I guess it's... It takes a little bit fine-tuning, but I think it's okay right now. Okay, let's find them screws. Screws? What kind of screws are we going to use?
This.
There is only one type, I think, and you can see it here. The guide is quite helpful, but don't go by these pictures. They are only for the illustration. So I tried to count the screws here. Didn't work out that well. Okay, so I'm going to screw the motherboard.
Magic stick.
With screws. So let's start here. Okay, 10 more. This one was really hard in the middle. Yeah. It's still there, don't worry. So the board is in, screws are tight, but...
And we are stupid.
Little surprise on the back side. These should went before the board. Okay, we can unscrew it. Fuck.